Okay, so now, bro, I want to show you something here very quickly on your F key of F. Okay. Okay, so I know you might want to know what I'm trying to play there. Okay, those stuff that are very simple stuff you can apply when you want to test your keys, or you want to know how to improvise going to your one chord, this do now. Okay. Okay. So the first thing you need to know is that as a lead guitarist, you need to learn how to slide your note. Okay, stuff like that. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I'm playing there is I'm playing the key of F. So I'm playing so do re so mi do. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Do. So do re so mi do so fa mi do. Okay. Okay, stuff like that, you can apply that as a passing note. Okay. Okay, as a passing note. So the second lick that I want to show you is that you can also learn how to start playing something like that. Do re mi do va mi va so. Okay. Mi va so mi, but you slide the mi. Okay. Do so fa mi do. Okay. So the second one there, okay, the second one there is Ti do re ti do fa.